Today, we're going to transform your voice into an alien voice with
InShot's cool voice effects. Let's jump right in.
first import your video or audio clip into the timeline. If your video has audio, tap on the video clip and choose Extract Audio to separate the audio from the video. This gives us easy access to the audio for editing. Once the audio is separated, tap on the audio layer and scroll through the toolbar to find voice effects. Now, tap on the alien option from the voice effects menu.
InShot will apply the alien voice effect to your audio right away, giving it that cool extraterrestrial sound.
You can adjust the intensity or any other available settings to make the effect sound just right for your video. Once you're happy with how it sounds, tap the check mark to apply the effect. And there you go. You've successfully added an alien voice effect to your audio in InShot. It's a quick and fun way to give your videos a creative twist. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more InShot editing tips and tricks.